How to Invest in Stocks as a Beginner, Step-by-Step Guide. Introduction. If you think investing in stocks is only for rich people or financial experts, this video will change your mind. I'll show you exactly how to start investing in stocks as a beginner, even with small money, and when to invest so you don't lose your money. Section 1. What is stock investing? Simple explanation. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of a company. If the company grows, your money grows. If the company pays dividends, you earn income. Example. You buy shares of Apple, Google, or a local company. As the company grows, the value of your shares increases. Section 2. Who should invest in stocks? Stocks are for you if you want your money to grow faster than savings. You're thinking long-term, 3 to 10 years. You're willing to learn and stay patient. Not ideal if you need the money next month. You panic when prices go up and down. Section 3. Step-by-step, how to start investing in stocks. Step 1. Set your investment goal. Ask yourself, why am I investing? Retirement, business capital, children's future. How long? Short-term, 1 to 3 years. Long-term, 5, 10 plus years. Stocks work best for long-term goals. Step 2. Decide how much to start with. Rule. Start with money you won't need soon. Even 10,000 to 50,000 Nigerian Nairas is okay to begin. The goal is consistency, not starting big. Step 3. Open a stock brokerage account. You need a broker to buy stocks. Types of brokers. Local stockbrokers for Nigerian Ghanaian stock market. International platforms for U.S. stocks. What to look for. Regulated. Easy app website. Low fees. Never invest through random WhatsApp groups or sure profit schemes. Step 4. Learn before you buy. Very important. Before buying a stock, check, what does the company do? Is it profitable? Is it a strong brand? Does it pay dividends? Beginner tip. Start with well-known companies, not hype stocks. Step 5. Start with these 3 beginner-friendly options. Blue chip stocks. Big, stable companies. Less risky. Dividend-paying stocks. You earn income regularly. Index funds, ETFs. Invest in many companies at once. Lower risk for beginners. If you don't know what to buy, start with index funds. Section 4. When should you invest? Timing explained simply. Best time to invest. The best time to invest is consistently, not try and predict the market. Use this strategy, dollar cost averaging. Invest the same amount monthly. Market up or down, you keep investing. Example, 20,000 Nigerian Nairas every month. Over time, your average cost reduces. Time in the market beats timing the market. When not to invest. When you're in debt. When you need emergency money. When you're investing based on fear or hype. Section 5. Common beginner mistakes to avoid. Crossmark chasing hot stocks. Crossmark investing. Without research. Crossmark panicking during market drops. Crossmark putting all money in one stock. Crossmark expecting quick profits. Stock investing is not gambling. It's ownership. Section 6. How long should you hold stocks? Short-term, risky. Long-term, powerful. Rule of thumb. Buy good companies and hold them for years. Section 7. Simple beginner investment plan. Example, monthly plan. 50% index funds, ETFs. 30% blue chip stocks. 20% dividend stocks. Adjust as you learn more. Section 8. Final advice for beginners. Start small. Learn consistently. Stay patient. The stock market rewards discipline, not excitement. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to start investing. Comment start if you want a part 2 where I show real platforms and how to buy your first stock step by step.